Prime Minister in a statement said the government is on track to remove goods and services tax on 13 essential household items, basically to deliver a major cost of living relief measure for ordinary Papua New Guineans. He specifically acknowledged the IRC Commissioner General, Sam Coim, and his team for their proactive role in translating policy into real benefits for the people. He said Commissioner Coim and his team have shown that when a policy becomes law, departments must act. Prime Minister Marape emphasized that these tax reforms are from a broader package of relief measures introduced by his government in recent years to support struggling families. This includes removing project fees from schools, paying tuition fees for elementary to secondary education, support higher education through the Higher Education Loan Program, and offering scholarships for high-performing students to study overseas.
This policy is part of the government's response to ongoing cost of living pressure. The price of essential goods such as baby diapers, rice, tinned fish, cooking oil, chicken products, noodles, soap and tea will not include the 10% GST. In a statement today, Internal Revenue Commissioner General Sam Coim said all registered suppliers, retailers and traders are legally required to adjust to their pricing to reflect the zero rating GST on the listed goods. Mr. Coim further warned that any failure to comply with the policy would result in penalties. He said compliance enforcement will be conducted by the IRC in close partnership with the Independent Consumer and Competition Commission and PNG Customs Service. Meanwhile, these are some of the views from citizens.
These are basic, and I would say we're so proud. I'm as one of the royal citizens of Papua New Guinea. I'm so proud, and I'm so thankful for
feedback. I'm so should be a long-term thing. Mostly we got online work in income tax, and then double up again GST. So good plan all Rossi Sambla so.
City life and tingim Rogania. Now you put down him rice, government down him go down in Plato. Thank you.
The Internal Revenue Commission has called on the members of the business community to support this policy going forward. Pakatambua, National MTV News.
Salary wages is killing us. Of course, all of us pay salary wages tax. And every time this comes up, the reduction in salary wages tax will have a revenue positive impact on the GST, so we can trade off in meeting the government budget. So that's the kind of thinking we have, and we are designing it. I know everybody's jumping up and down, but it's just a little bit of patience for the next 6 months to 1 year.
The Commissioner General further said Papua New Guineans should also know that not everything is free and people are required to pay tax.
So these are benefits you're receiving, and then you have free, everybody wants free health, free education, everything free in this country. You know, we also want free cash handouts. Where is this coming from? It's coming from the tax money. So when you put pressure on all our MPs to bring you free cash for your bride price, house price, compensations, all the list, that is also putting strain on everybody to go and find tax money to come and deliver.
Coim said the IRC is also under pressure to meet its target for 2025. He said revenue collection for 2024 was over 17 billion kina, and the government have increased the target for 2025 by 14%, which equals to 19.9 billion kina. Despite this significant target, Coim said the government still implemented other key relief measures such as first-home buyer incentives, tax exemption on superannuation and judges' pensions, retirement savings account relief, corporate tax reduction for banks, simplified tax filing for small businesses, and tax clearance certificate.
What I'm saying is, under stressful circumstances, these are the reliefs that are being offered, and we at the bureaucratic level, we are delivering it.